Hello, dear Family First families. Today, April 22nd.
2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Our planet is our home, and today, on Earth Day, we have a chance to give back. One of the best ways to celebrate Earth Day is to plant a tree. Trees clean our air, provide shade, and make the world greener. Or why not clean up your surroundings? A cleaner neighborhood means a healthier Earth. Simple actions like saving water, reducing waste, and turning off lights help protect our planet every day. Get creative. Use recycled materials for fun, eco-friendly crafts, and teach kids the power of reusing and recycling. Every little action counts. This Earth Day, let's work together to build a greener, healthier future, one step at a time. Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow. Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.